1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey guys, it's Joost Rijmakers from Level Up. Today's collaboration movie with Drossos will be how to defend yourself with a kubotan, aka a pocket stick. The last three movies were more of a Kali stick, a longer stick. Today it's really a self-defense movie with a little piece of wood. It could also be a lighter, a tactical pen, it doesn't matter, just a small blunt object. But before we start, if you like this content, please make sure you check out my channel, Level Up Body, Mind, Spirit, and leave a comment if you like it. So let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So guys, if you want to defend yourself with a kubotan, the first thing you should practice is attack everything which attacks you. So what I mean with that is, if I use kubotan for self-protection and I'm going to attack him, so he hits me and I'm going bam, 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 bam. Yeah, probably he ends up in the hospital and I get locked up because it's not a self-defense, it's attempted murder. So what we're going to do is attack the things he is attacking with. So when he gives me a punch, I step back and I hit the hand with my pocket stick. It doesn't matter how you do, but we're going to do a sequence of 4 now, so you can practice it and get your coordination right. So, when he gives me a right, because that's usually one of the most common strikes you get hit with first, you just go to the inside, slam with the end of the pocket stick on the bone, preferably here or on the biceps, because that are really targets which hurt. But don't stress about it. If he hits you, you go 1. There you go. 1 check. If he hits with the other hand, 2. I go inside and I do it with the upper part of the stick on the biceps. Now when he hits again, I 3. So I slam my stick around his knuckles, and the last one I slam out and I go 4 and I hit him on the elbow or on the wrist. So when we do it a bit on speed, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. You attack the hands, so he thinks twice to hit you again. It really hurts when you slam a piece of wood on a piece of bone. And that's why I like to do it on a self-defense way. If he hits me and I do it BAM! 1 time and I say go away, I don't want to do this, probably the chances are he will stop. If he doesn't, you can always go to attack mode, because when he hits, this way it's really short motion. So because I'm on the inside, I'm going to the head, but when he hits, I'm still blocking it. From there I can go on. So it's a lot of coordination, but a pocket stick, first thing you should remember is attack everything which is attacking you. So when he gives me a kick, bam! I just hit the knee with the pocket stick. It hurts. His attention will go to the spot, and it really is a nice way to drill. So one more time, just for the coordination, you can go only the first 2. So you go 1, 2, again 1, 2, 1, 2. After that, if he hits again, 3. I go over the knuckles, and the last one, 4. 1 time all 4. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I hit him on the hand now. Always good to attack the hands. Good luck with practicing. I hope to see you on my next video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the comments, whatever you do, what YouTube people do.